Welcome. In this short video we will show you where to find and how to use ad hoc forms. This will include going through different forms available to you on a job and telling you what's required to fill them in. A form is a type of questionnaire. To get to ad hoc forms, simply from the main menu click on the fifth tab down titled Forms. In here we can see a selection of relevant forms which you may need during your deliveries. These include a wait time form. If you've been stuck at a job for a long period of time, you can record it using this function. A pallet collection form, which is useful if you need to pick up pallets whilst you're on a delivery, and the FORS vehicle check report so that you can log any defects or issues with your vehicle. Let's go into one of these forms. In this wait time form, all we need to do is enter some text, the amount of time that we're waiting. However, depending on the type of questions within the form, you may be prompted to take a photo, use the keyboard for notes, or select an answer using virtual buttons or checkboxes. After a form has been completed, it's sent back to the FlexiPod Center console. You can go back and check the details of any forms you've filled in by going back to the main menu and selecting the row titled Completed Forms. That's all you need to know about ad hoc forms on FlexiPod.